As the late Carroll Shelby once said, anything worth doing is worth doing in excess. Our thoughts exactly. Mr. Shelby always thought of himself as just a car lover from East Texas, but to the Mustang community, he was the protagonist that took Ford to the next level. Flight Automotive brings that same level of dedication to what we do. Defined by Merriam-Webster Dictionary as being the highest level of achievement, excellence, or eminence, Flight Automotive leads the way, sets the tone, makes a statement. We are home to one of the largest selections of Mustang restoration, style, and performance parts from top Mustang brands such as Mr. Mustang, Onyx Covers, Auto Accessories of America, and many more. Serving the Mustang community for over 40 years, we are passionate and understand that each generation offers something special. We'll guide you through restoration or upgrade projects from start to finish. When we took flight, our team knew our quality parts, interiors, wheels, and accessories from all of your favorite brands were a cut above the rest. Nevertheless, we continue to build and improve every day, as Shelby did, to stay true to the iconic Mustang. Our team is passionate about each Mustang generation, from the classics, through Fox Body, to current. When it's time to mod or restore your Mustang, choose Flight Automotive. Shop Flight Automotive, all your favorites under one wing.